Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Waterflower here. Hope you're having a beautiful day. A couple months ago, I saw this amazing painting. I'm not even going to try and say their name. I'm terrible with names. Here's their YouTube channel and it'll also be in the description. The artist created an amazing earth and space painting using acrylic pouring. It was so unique, something I have not seen before. And it reminded me a lot of my favorite TV show growing up, Roly Poly Oly. It was the Ice Cream Planet episode. I mean, who wouldn't love a planet made of ice cream, especially when you're a kid? Letting my creative mind soar, I thought, why not make a rainbow planet? Because that seems to be my theme here, using rainbow colors. And growing up, we used to have like circle time in preschool, and we would always have to come up with an ice cream flavor, and mine was rainbow, not sherbet, not like vanilla dyed. It was rainbow ice cream. It doesn't even exist, but good times. So I'm using a 9-inch cake pan. It's the kind that clips together and the bottom is removable. The pan is used as almost a border so you can keep the planet shape. Canvas is 9 by 14. Paints are the Artist Loft Ready Mixed Acrylics from a couple videos ago. My planet technique was more of an unstructured traveling ring pour. For my negative space, I'm using black as a background. Then I added some blue to the outside of my planet to create more of a 3D effect. Of course, there needs to be stars. The best technique I've learned is to use white paint. Mine was a Craftsmart brand and paintbrush roughly the size of mine or a little bit bigger. Then you're going to do a flicking motion across the bristles. Sometimes a line might appear. I view those as shooting stars. It's not that big of a deal for me. And then halfway through, I remembered I had some star-shaped glitter and added that as well. I'm pretty happy where mine is at and we'll leave it as is. You could definitely add more planets to yours or add more stars. It's up to you. But this was super fun to try and definitely different. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, give this video a huge thumbs up, and have a psychedelic day.